everyone. My name is Gabe Cruz, and today we're skating the Micro Mega Ramp. Let's go. First try! Ah!
Whoa! Good knee slide, Mo.
I don't know how Pennsylvania feels, but this was a little intimidating.
I feel like this rolling's sketchy. Look, there's like a chair right there. There's like hinges on the rolling.
I didn't think about that stuff. I thought about knee slide. That's the first thing I thought about.
Whoa!
Dude, that is so fun.
Oh! Dang, he just aired into the freaking
Grabbed
dirt.
it, tweaked it, like he skates vert all the time or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Bird dog.
Hey you guys, we're here today at the 5th floor Tacoma Indoor Skate Park, and right here we have a micro mega ramp?
Micro mega ramp.
We have a micro mini mega ramp. And for those of you that don't know, so the mega ramp is the most huge of the huge ramps. That's Bob Burnquist, Elliott Sloan's house. You've seen those. And then we have a mini mega ramp, which is like Woodward, Pennsylvania, right? So that's big, but not gonna, body you too bad. And then you have the micro mini mega, which is the smallest version. That's the Gabe Cruz version of mega ramp. Maybe not even that.
Do you want me dead?
So as you can see, you have to take this. You have to take the ladder up. How's the breeze up there, Rick?
It's nice, Gaby. I want to see you climb up.
I'm coming.
3 people? Should I just go right now?
I got you, Mo. Yeah, go ahead. Angle up here is nice.
Come on up.
Rick, I am not getting up here with us.
I'm a big boned man.
Get up.
You got it. You got it.
Go ahead.
Nah, you. Oh my gosh.
What happened?
You fell in another life.
Yeah. All right, now I will come up. Can you grab the camera, Rick?
You're freaking me out, brother.
This is scary, dude. I do not like this.
Push yourself.
I'm just looking.
Push yourself.
I'm checking it out.
I said,
All right, JD, I need tips.
Did I accurately depict this as the Gabe Cruz of mega ramps?
This is the Fremont hip of mega ramps.
Okay. Same thing. Look at this.
What do I do, JD? Just air it?
You're gonna air it?
Yeah.
No, Rick, your shoulder.
Hey, how often am I here?
Every day.
Every day?
JD,
You already know that.
please get down.
I think I'm just gonna not try to hit.
Oh! Crossing. Whoa! No, Rick! Absolutely not. No!
I got it.
Hey, dang, you set up the freshie. Wait, can I get down, please?
You gotta slide down.
What do you mean slide down?
You can't go down that. That's 20 times sketchier.
No, it is not. Dang, dude. Do I actually have to slide down?
I think you do. It's an adult slide. Aren't you excited?
Oh, I'm thrilled.
Okay. Have fun.
I wish someone filmed that.
Whoa! Hurt dog!
Hey, I tried. It was the roll and I had to get past first.
Yeah, just rolling. Oh yeah, Glow. Let's go, Glow. You got this. Stay right in the middle. Hope you sign the waiver. Yeah! Let's go! Dan, I would first and foremost like to apologize for your injury,
It's okay. Happens.
because you would be able to do some stuff on this. Every time you knee slide, a part of me is just so grateful that you finally learned.
I have to. I can't imagine trying to run down. That's that.
Good knee slide, Mo. Dan, duck. Oh, brother.
Feels like you're a rocket man.
Rick, you're scaring me, brother. Oh. This would be the most legendary clip I ever post on my Instagram if I did this.
Do it. You can.
Look at that knee slide.
Proud too. I'm proud
MVP.
too.
Dude, shake my hand. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, Rick. Whoa, whoa. Rick,
Be
the
safe.
shins.
Be safe, brother.
Rick, I said be safe less
I
than
was
2
being
minutes
safe.
ago.
But I mean, I shouldn't really be skating at all.
No, you're done. You're done. Vanished. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It is 8 feet of vert.
Yeah, I was hoping to just like power slide down like I usually do. Not on this thing. That's
Yeah.
too vert. You stuck it though.
I tried. I'm landing it.
Oh! You're this close to unlocking it.
Feels good.
Whoa! Yeah! Oh! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah, JD. Whoa! Should I try it, Dan?
Yeah. Try it. If you try it, but just don't jump off.
Do not go to booger. Oh! Wow. Yeah!
Oh, that felt weird.
Where did that come from?
You said, let me land my first one. Let me land my first air. Then early grab back 3.
JD inspired me right now.
Feeling different.
Oh!
Yeah! Just don't send that board my way, Mo. Oh! Whoa! No! Just slide off the side.
Oh man.
You got that, brother. Oh! Yeah! Dang, get his back, Mo! Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Woo! Oh! Yeah, brother. Yeah! Were you gonna do that already?
Yeah, I was telling Chris that or try to kick with Andy.
Do both. That was the one. Oh! Good slide, Mo. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Whoa. Woo.
All right, so JD is gonna do an air over me while I sit there.
Oh.
All right, we're first analyzing where exactly I will be safe.
Oh, no.
That's deck to the face.
Safe? That's right.
Oh. Woo. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Holy. Oh. It's okay. That was sick.
Sorry.
It's all right. You got it.
I just bodied the camera myself, worse than Mowgli ever has. Jeez.
That was it. JD, put that down, brother. Dang. Oh. Oh.
I don't know how it looks on the camera, but for me, usually I airwalk like close to me, but because I'm going out of a ramp and I'm shooting out fast, I feel like that it's out here and I have to grab and bring it back. And by the time I feel like I'm bringing it back, I'm scared because it's not back to my feet immediately how I'm used to. So I'm just getting used to that lag time, if that makes sense. I got it right here though.
Dang. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh!
Oh my God.
Yes! That was good.
Back leg go out?
Oh,
I don't know.
that was amazing. Let's go, Mo.
I don't know. I don't know what to say. Felt weightless right now.
Wow. Oh my
crazy.
goodness, that feels nice. Oh! Yes! Wow.
These guys are insane.
Wow. How you feel?
Happy. This thing is amazing. I want one of these in my backyard. I can practice everything.
Braille has 3.0. Everyone tag Aaron on Instagram and tell him we need a micro mega ramp. Let's go.
What you think, Rick?
Got that, buddy.
I cannot hear a single thing you're saying.
What?
Can't hear you. Oh, it's a fakie.
All right, that was insane. I got the beautiful angles right there. Got the vertical clip of JD shredding it. Kickflip Indy, Mowgli airwalk, boom. Personally, I wish I could have been able to skate this because this looks like so much fun. But, you know, it is kind of scary too. Like, you're coming down this ramp, you could fall off the side. You could run into that pallet jack right there. You could run into this crack to the vert ramp. But it's really cool. So a huge thanks to Skatelight and a huge thanks to Fifth Floor Tacoma. We're so hyped to make it out here. We had such an awesome time exploring, skating. There's so much history, there's so much cool obstacles and non-skating things, rock climbing, slackline. So we are so stoked to be out here. All right, guys, there are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. Where should we go next? We want you to learn how to skateboard. You have everything you need on the Braille Army Plus membership. Let's go.